Now we are going to discuss the project called power generation by ceiling fan. See here, you can see in this setup there is a ceiling fan which is connected to one of the frame, and here we have used a small devices. The device is a dynamo here, and to that dynamo a wheel is being connected here. This is a wheel, a dynamo is connected, and this dynamo, which is been when the fan is moving or rotating, you will be having a power generation. That power generation is used to produce a power in where we can use in the small appliances, especially for we can use like lighting the lamp, lighting the small appliances, like small applications we can use. And this, whatever the dynamo's power which is being generated, it is connected to the battery where the power will be stored, and through the battery we are able to light the light here. These are the small appliances where you can do it for. The components here is a dynamo and a small wheel is connected, and in that again this dynamo is again power is being sent to the battery where the battery will be charged.
So
and
it works like a dynamo.
Dynamo. Whenever this appliance has to be on or switched off, you can use at that times. Like
How much power can be produced? Any idea?
Power is around, you can blow this bulb up to 2 hours.
Like inverter batteries.
Like inverter batteries.
Okay, sir. It's a good idea.
Can I?
Now we can start the lecture.
Yes. Just 1 second, sir. One second.
So now this is being charged in the battery.
Battery.
Whatever. So we can make some additional usage in it.
Small light here. When are there power cuts or during any, to save our powers, especially in the village and all, you can use this. There is no home without ceiling fan. So I think this project can be useful for many people.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.